This is the Mars Hydro Auto Drainage System, designed to manage excess water automatically in modern grow environments. Once assembled, the system is ready to be deployed directly into your grow setup. Inside the grow tent, one system automatically drains multiple trays at once. Automatic drainage reduces manual work, prevents clogging and root rot, and helps maintain healthy roots. This drainage system can also be seamlessly integrated with the drip irrigation system. When connected to the iHub Pro, watering and drainage can be scheduled automatically, creating a stable and repeatable grow routine.